You can create all of these IT service website for free on WordPress. You just need to download and install one premium theme. But wait, you don't need to pay for this. Yes, you can create the exact same site, just like the examples you see on screen. This theme comes with 17 unique homepage layouts, giving you plenty of options to choose the perfect look for your website. You can check the comment box to try this out. When you click on the link you will land on GPL Mama. Here you can easily download most of the popular WordPress themes and plugins under GPL license. Find the download button and complete the steps to get your download link. After you finish the download, go to your WordPress site. You can see I've just installed a fresh WordPress site. I'm using Docker for this. Installing the theme is simple. Just go to Appearance, then Themes, then click Add New. Now select Upload Theme and upload the file you just downloaded. So, we've successfully installed the theme. Congratulations. Now, click the Activate button to enable it. Next, go to Theme Details and install all the required plugins. After that, we'll import the demo data for this website. Just take a breath and let the process finish. Now activate these plugins. Refresh the page. Oh shit. No problem, back to previous page. Skip the WooCommerce notices for now, then go back to Appearance, open Themes, and click on Theme Details. From there, look for the option that says Import Demo Data. Go forward and import all of the demo contents. This may take some time, so you can go for a short coffee break. Whoa, it's successfully completed. My internet's a bit lazy, so it took around 10 minutes to complete. Let's go back to the site and refresh the page. You can see all the demo content has been successfully installed. You can change it for yourself or for a client, no problem. Because it's GPL licensed, it's free, but remember to use it at your own risk. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments.